Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together again for Tokoro High School. Konavayora. Woo woo! Tokoro! We'd like to invite Tokoro High School to come out to the front, please. All students, come on, come on. Now I'm going to ask one of our new students, Tiriki Tarai here, what he thought about the whole experience.
It was long but worth it.
Nuaka, what are the benefits about coming here to PBN?
The benefits are experiencing each other's cultures and learning how to experience and the passion of each culture. Yeah.
Amen. Now, you know, if there's such a variety of people, where's Nathan? Oh.
Hello, hello. Clap your hands, come on.
Now, as a papa, Nathan, tell me what's been the highlight of this whole experience for you?
Like getting to know cultures and having the experience of my lifetime.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Tokoro!